was sitting right here and decided to make this trip. A few months ago, I met a lovely young lady. She is a senior at Southern Methodist University. She will graduate in May and then pursue a master's degree in business administration. She has studied abroad and even had an internship in London. She hails from Lake Charles, Louisiana, and is the daughter of Dr. and Mrs. John W. Noble, Jr. It is my honor to introduce the queen of this year's Washington, D.C. Mardi Gras, the lovely Miss Madeline Noble.
Good afternoon. I cannot express how humbled and honored I am to be standing before you today. I never in a million years could imagine that I would have been asked to represent Louisiana at such an event as this. It still really doesn't feel real. Mardi Gras is truly such a special celebration that we as Louisianians get to participate in. It's more than just the fancy clothes or the fun costumes, the good food, the crazy parties. It's really a chance to show the rest of the country our fascinating and historic culture. I am so blessed that I can be a part of this culture and call Louisiana my home. No matter where I'm in school, choose to work when I graduate in May, I'll know I'll always feel welcomed and loved by the people in Louisiana. I can confidently say that the best people come from Louisiana. There are no better role models that I grew up around in my hometown of Lake Charles, or those that I continue to meet from the rest of the state and have met this week. These people have taught me kindness, resilience, faith, integrity, respect for myself and others, and most of all, love, all of which have made me to the young woman that I am today. I'm so proud to represent the people of Southwest Louisiana as the first ever Washington, D.C. Mardi Gras Queen from Lake Charles, and I hope I represent them well and make them proud. But this experience would have not been possible without all the wonderful people that have made me up here queen. So first off, I want to thank King Greg and his lovely wife Brenda and their amazing family for being so kind and gracious throughout this experience. I could not be more lucky to share this honor with such a genuine and fun family. I continue to look forward to what's to come over the next few days. To Congressman Higgins and his beautiful wife Becca, thank you for granting me this amazing honor and allowing me to represent our great state, and specifically Southwest Louisiana. I promise to serve with integrity that is deserving of the crew, the delegation, the state, and my generation as a whole. To the lieutenants, the delegation, and crew members, I'm so grateful that I get to be a part of this historic event. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that I will remember for the rest of my life, and I cannot thank you all enough. And of course, I am so thankful for my parents. I don't think I could ever put into words how grateful I am for them. My parents' continuous sacrifices of time, energy, and love have allowed my brother and I to grow into the individuals that we are today. And I'm especially thankful for their sacrifices of time and energy to allow me to be Queen of Washington, D.C. Mardi Gras, and to be able to experience it stress-free. Thank you for constantly supporting me, believing in me when I had little faith in myself, and being my friend when I needed one. I go on and on, but I'll just end with, I love you. Lastly, to the ladies of the court, thank you for being so graceful and kind. It is so fun to be able to share this experience with you all, and I want you to make sure that you take it all in and actually have fun. And again, thank you everyone so much for this honor. I am so lucky, we are all so lucky to call Louisiana our home. Happy Mardi Gras.
Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, they're going to begin serving. Enjoy your meal, the camaraderie, and as we break bread together, let's get this party started, baby. Enjoy your lunch.
That was not planned.
But
Sounded great. I'm gonna go find it.
Let me know where it is.
That was so beautiful. She